In this video, I'm going to show you how to sharpen an image in Photopea. First, open your Photopea project and make sure the image you want to sharpen is selected. Once you are ready, go to the top menu and click on the Filter option. From the drop-down menu, hover over the Sharpen category, and then from the side menu, select Unsharp Mask. This option provides the most control and flexibility for sharpening your image effectively. When the Unsharp Mask dialog box appears, you will see several sliders that control the sharpening effect. The first one is Amount, which controls the intensity of the sharpening. As you increase it, the details in your image will become more pronounced. It is best to adjust this gradually while observing the changes. The next slider is Radius, which determines how many pixels around edges are affected by the sharpening. Increasing the radius can make the sharpening more noticeable, but too much can make the image look unnatural, so it should be adjusted carefully. The last slider is Threshold, which controls how different adjacent pixels need to be before they are affected by the sharpening. Increasing this value reduces the sharpening effect on smoother areas, making the image look more natural. If you set it too high, the sharpening may become less visible. You can use the Preview checkbox in the dialog box to toggle the effect on and off. This helps you compare the before and after result and fine-tune your adjustments. Once you are satisfied with how the image looks, click OK to apply the changes. Your image will now appear sharper and more defined, and this is how you can sharpen an image in Photopea.